Come on, Kylie.
What? What do you want?
Nikki. No, I'm not being in a video with you. Please. Recording. Oh.
What?
Naughty Matt. Wait, it's James. Naughty. Two guys in a band and they're watching porn. Family. So, roar! Get that camera away from me. There, I've only done straight to my this entire time, so part of it. Josh says hi. What did you say?
It don't matter though. Cause someone's bound to hear my cry. You're not easy to find. When I'm around her.
I wish it was all acoustic. They ruined it by rock. Damn rock. So Kylie, what have we done so far tonight?
Talked on the phone to Mr. Pringle. Oh
What else did we do?
Vagina. Penis. Vagina.
Yeah.
Penis. Mouth. Nose. Anal.
Kylie, what's your favorite position?
I don't know. I've got a lot. My favorite position is the Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty.
Fucking yeah. You sit on the ground and you go like this.
Right.
She is, for some reason, she's always like this. You're sitting and it's, okay, so I think the girl is like this and the guy's like this.
You are one anorexic whore.
I know, I'm actually. So what?
Hey, wait. Luke, I am the mother.
He goes, Daddy, or Dougie, I am your
No, Dougie
mother.
says that.
Tom says it to Dougie.
No.
Dougie, I am your mother.
Yeah, he says that to Tom.
And Dougie's like, never!
No, that's what Tom says.
Oh yeah. Tom, I am your mother.
No! My eyes are streaky. My lipstick weird too. It's too hot. And I'm putting that on my door so everyone knows that they walk into my room. Ooh! Do you admit to it?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Do you really do it?
Yes.
Were you the only one?
No. Tom, random shit.
Ooh, yeah.
Baby time.
I may get me a blueberry muffin though.
Savage.
I know. That's all I've had today.
like a muffin, green tea, and a pizza roll. Sweet.
Okay, which knee is real and which knee is fake? Listen. Not hard to tell. Huh? Ow.